Want this watermark? Open the Pinterest app. Go to the search button and search lips watermark. Pick anyone you like. Tap download image. Open the Capcut app. Import your image. Go to text and add text. Type edited by. Go to text styles and enable shadow. Pick a color for the text that matches the lips watermark. Fit the text perfectly on the lips watermark. Click Duplicate. Type your name. Set the text direction again. Finish by exporting the watermark.